Well, here we are, guys. It's finally here. It's the week of the year that we wait for all year, and I could not be more excited to be heading up here right now. It's August 30th today, heading up for the 2017 Minnesota Bear Opener, and things are looking great for us. We got all our baits out. They're very active. Weather's looking good. We just can't wait to be up here and get in a tree, and hopefully Friday night we can be on a stand and have some action. So this should be fun. You stick with us. Well, here we are, guys. We're on the second night of the hunt tonight. We got Shay in camp here. He just arrived today, and we're pretty excited to go into the tree this afternoon. I sat on a bait last night, and we didn't have much action, but the weather wasn't very good. It was raining and windy, and pretty much just not ideal conditions for bear hunting. It's a little breezy right now, but it's early in the afternoon. I think it's gonna calm down real good, so we have a good opportunity tonight. We got a bear that's been coming into this bait every day for about a week, daylight hours, so everything's shaping up to be about right. Shay's gonna be behind the camera tonight, so we'll head in there pretty quick and see if we can make it happen. Stick with us. Well, here we are, guys. It's night 3 of the hunt. Had a good night in the tree last night. Had everything happen that we're looking for in a bear hunt. Had a real nice bear come in about 6:30, 7 o'clock. Gave us a great video. Would have been a great shot opportunity. Just not quite the bear that we're looking for. So tonight it's Shay's turn. I was behind the bow last night. Tonight I'll have the camera. So
yeah, we're hunting a bait that we haven't hunted yet, and we have a couple boars on it. Hopefully the weather permits tonight. Should be a good night. Hopefully we can get her done.
Well, here we are, guys. Just got dropped off of the bait. Unfortunately, we got rained out last night. But we got a bear that's been really consistent, coming in about 3 o'clock. And we're in here early today. It's been raining, so I'm guessing
one down. Nice shot, dude. Nice.
Well, we finally let an arrow fly. It's night number 5. That bear came in at 6 o'clock. I actually just looked at the clock. And he's late. He's been coming in about 3 every day. So he's a little late. Not a big bear by any means, but sure felt good to put one on the board. Let an arrow fly, so stick with us. Hopefully we'll recover him here pretty quick.
Well, just shot our bear. Heard him death moan. I don't think it went very far. I put a really good shot on him, but let's go up to the bait here, check out the arrow, see what's going on. Oh, it looks like real good blood. Hit him with a Rage hypodermic. I think it tore him up real good. Looks like you can see blood going all the way through there, so hopefully we can go find him here and get a recovery for you here while we still got good lights. Well guys, he didn't make it too far. I'd say he probably only went about 30 yards from the bait. Had good blood pretty much the whole way. Saw him laying there. Not too bad of a bear, so we'll drag him out of here and we'll show you what he looks like. Well, here he is, guys. Finally got him up to the bait site. You know, really pleased with how this whole deal went down. I actually passed this bear 2 nights ago. We've been seeing a lot of real average Minnesota bears this year. Nothing real huge on the camera. So night 5 of the hunt, we were happy to make it happen tonight. This guy came in at about 6 o'clock and we put a Rage right where it needs to go and only went about 30 yards. Heard the death moan, got it all on video. Just couldn't have got a whole lot better. Can't thank Shay enough for being in the tree with me tonight, making it all happen. He's up tomorrow night, so hopefully we can make it happen again. But what a year, one I'll never forget. Here we are, guys. We're heading into the stand. It's night number 6. Shay's up to bat. Tagged out on a pretty nice bear last night. We got an awesome video of it. Everything was just perfect. Got the death moan and everything, and so I'm done. Night number 6 tonight. Shay's after a big bear. We got a bait we had hit 4 days in a row, and don't have pictures of any bears on it, but we think it's a pretty good bear, so we're in hope that we're gonna hop in there and have some hot action tonight. So.
I see him. I can see your Luminok. Shit, that's a giant. You got him. Yeah, I can see him. You can see him? Yeah. Just had a giant come in at about 12 yards. Put on a good shot. We heard him crash for a little bit. And now just quiet. I smoked him. Good bear. I'm too excited right now.
Hey guys, it's day 7 here and we got her done. Had a beautiful sow come in tonight at 7:45. Put a heck of a shot on. Ran about 80 yards, tipped over, and we got it all on film. Good, beautiful hunt. Unbelievable. I'm absolutely speechless. I got to thank Connor for stepping behind the plate and filming tonight. Put a good film together and a heck of a hunt. Unbelievable.